Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT talks like a human? It writes emails, explains concepts, and even generate codes. But what is the brain behind all this? Today I will explain it using a simple story, no technical jargons, no heavy words. Let me explain a story. There was a small town where people did not go to Google when they were confused. They went to a library, but that was not a normal library because the librarian was not a human. His name was Mahesh. People would ask Mahesh, write a leave email, explain a topic in a simple words, help me prepare for interviews, write code. And Mahesh would answer immediately like a teacher, like a writer, like an expert. All of a sudden, one day, a student named Arjun came and asked, Mahesh, how do you talk so naturally? Mahesh smiled and said, sit down, I will tell you the secret. Mahesh pointed to the slaves and said, imagine I have read millions of books, websites and articles, not for an enjoyment, but to learn patterns in a language. That Arjun is what an LLM is. LLM stands for a large language model. Then Mahesh said, here is the real secret. I don't think like a human, I predict the next best word. Mahesh asked Arjun, if I say tomorrow I have an interview and I feel, Arjun responded, nervous. Mahesh smiled, exactly. I predicted the next word. I do the same but with billions of patterns and I am also super fast. That's why LLMs can write emails, summarize notes, explain concepts and generate codes because they are extremely good at language pattern. But Arjun asked a serious question. If you are only predicting words, how do you know what is true? Mahesh responded, sometimes I can sound confident and still be wrong. That's called a hallucination. Nothing but confident but incorrect. Mahesh said that, so how do you fix the accuracy? So to fix the accuracy of the model, we use a RAG. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. In simple meaning, search first and then answer. The LLM pulls the best information from your PDFs, documents or website. And then LLM answer based on the facts. And if you want the AI to actually to do tasks, we use agents. LLMs are the brain and agents are the hand. So let's remember, LLM generate human-like text by predicting the next word. They are powerful but can hallucinate. For accuracy, we use RAG and for automation, we use agent. If the story helped you, comment LLM and follow me for more simple AI explanation. Thank you.